if you want to turn this into this in just under 2 minutes, please stay tuned. We will show you how to remove those stubborn stickers off of your glass bottles and jars. First, you need a big bowl deep enough to fit your bottles and jars. We will use this jar and bottle. You guys can add as many jars and bottles as you like. Fill 3/4 of the bowl with warm water. Now fill the rest of the bowl with hot boiling water. I am going to use the electric kettle. Once the water has boiled, put your bottles and jars into the bowl and add the boiling water. Make sure your bottles are fully dipped in the water and leave them for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, carefully take out the jars and bottles one by one and try to remove the stickers on them. You will notice that it is very easy to remove all the stickers and labels. After removing the stickers, take a sponge and some dish soap to scrub off any leftover glue. Now rinse your bottle and jars and let them dry. You have your sticker-free bottles and it was easily done under 3 minutes. Find this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends.